recording now. Now I have to check people.
It's already like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We had a lot of work, so I haven't done much of vlogging today, and I'm like coming to my favorite spot in my office. I know it's nice, right? So I'm trying to take some kind of time lapse. I don't know what time lapse I'll get because of it's going to rain, I guess. I'm not sure exactly. Let's see. Like I'm taking a time lapse here, so I can't literally move towards my left, so I'm trying to squeeze myself on the right side. And so today is Saturday, and well, for us it doesn't matter. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, everything is the same. We just, if we have work, we are just going to start working and finish it. We have just been working from morning and we haven't finished it yet. I just came out to vlog something because I haven't vlogged even a single second from morning, and this is like the starting of my vlog, and that was it's at 3 o'clock. I'm starting my vlog at 3 o'clock and not in the morning like I usually do. Well, you're not interested in that, I'm sure of that, so I'm going to just end whatever I'm talking here and shift it to time lapse. How is the roll? Oh my god!
Cool with it. What's up, dude?
Hi. It's me. You see me every day. And him.
Almost every day.
Almost every day. And her. Definitely almost every day. And him. At least once a week.
Tiger mask.
Well, today is October 10th and it's World Mental Health Day. And I want to talk about a specific thing, that is people judging you. You know, they will judge you no matter what. You get a pimple, they'll judge. You have a big butt, they'll judge. You're fat, they'll judge. You're not, you're just sitting at home, they'll judge. No matter what, people will judge. Just don't care about what other people are thinking about you. Just care about what you are doing. Just care about how satisfied and happy you are with life. If you keep thinking about how like others are thinking and people are judging about me, people who judge, their opinions don't matter, because they just don't matter in your life. See, people who judge, they have a very lower and crooked mind, because they can't do something that you are trying to do, or they can't do something that you want to do, so they will judge you for what you're doing and not let you do. So just remember this one thing, and just don't care about people who are judging you for what you are doing. People who are trying to do something, who don't judge others, they have this positiveness in them which makes them a better person than those people who judge. And you have that kind of power to just crush all those judgmental people, all those people who judge you for what you're doing. You can crush them because you are so positive, because you don't judge, and because you're so open-minded that you are trying to do something different that those people are not doing. And when you start not getting bothered by those kind of people, when you start building up on these three values, or whatever you want to call it as, you are going to stand out in front of all of them, and one day you will be the person you have seen in your dreams, and your dreams will come true. And people who judge don't matter, and if you're one of them, stop judging people and start doing something for God's sake. This last point, just remember, your mind doesn't control you, but you control your mind. See you tomorrow.